Hi friends, this video shows how to replace SMPS or adapter or power supply of water purifier. We have to replace SMPS if you are hearing noise from the SMPS or there is a starting problem or hanging problem. First we have to remove existing SMPS. We have to disconnect 4 wires which is coming from the SMPS like this. We disconnect it, then connect the new SMPS like this. Just connect the 4 wires, input and output. After that, for testing, we can connect SMPS to power supply and test it. So this way we can easily replace SMPS of water purifier. Just open the water purifier and replace it. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel.